Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for coming on the call this morning. 11:30 session is underway. Okay, so well done to I think it was Sonia, Selena. That's 4 a.m. Taking cheeky trades that time of the morning is absolutely perfect. Well done. Absolutely perfect. Seeing the pictures on Discord, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, that's actually quite good. That's actually really good. Okay, so our good friend Japanese yen has transitioned from a weak currency to a strong currency as of yesterday or last night when news hit. Okay, so at the moment, JPY has not shown me any signs of getting weaker. There is news on, I think it was on JPY today, if everyone's set. No, there isn't. Okay, so there's nothing there. It's all mainly USD, Euro, and AUD. Okay, so we're still good on this. Okay, I'm going to quickly look for a cheeky little setup happening. We've got a variety of currencies to choose from. Okay, that's been on a bearish trend. You are? What's happened? You're a quick product, Jambo. Very good on chart. There you go. All good, all good. Okay. Right. So let me just have a quick look through these. No, it is strong. It's actually pretty good today. Okay, so CAD. Okay, so CAD JPY is in the overbought condition area. I'm gonna go CAD. Let's see what it is on percentage wise on profit option. Oh, 57%. No way. No way am I going to do that one. Euro JPY. Euro JPY is 87. 87% on Euro JPY. Okay. There probably is a red label, a pink label lingering on this one. Oh, that looks a complete mess on the 1 minute chart. Okay. Let's look at Euro JPY. I need to pull it up. Oh, it's right there, 87% on that. We are getting nothing coming back up at the moment. What is that? I'm just looking at saying. What time was that? Oh, that was yesterday. That was yesterday, that one. Okay. Absolutely fine. No problem on that one. Yeah, Euro JPY does seem to be pretty good on these today. Okay, right. So obviously we've got a little bit of consolidation happening at the moment. I'm going to mark up the consolidation area and see if it breaks out of it. What is that? Sorry about that. Hold on. There you go. That's it. So there's a consolidation zone there, and there is one there. So it's only a tiny little area. So let's see if this trend breaks out of this bottom line. We should be good because it's broken out of the consolidation area to go back down 3 minutes with the JPY. Absolutely perfect on this. Could be a good setup. Give me a red candle on that. I'm really hoping this does break through it because that will confirm to me that it's come out of that consolidation area and starting to come back down. Instead of me on a sorry, hang on. Absolutely cool. Okay, so we're going to get price to come down a little bit. Everything's telling me it's on a sell, and I didn't check the 5 minute one. Sell, strong sell. Yeah, all good. Okay, so now what we do is officially wait for this to come back down. If it comes out of that consolidation zone, I'm going to take this for 3 minutes on JPY because it came out of the oversold area and now it's gone back into it. So there's a lot more strength with the JPY. Okay, 35 left on that. Dead. Absolutely dead in the water, Euro. There is news. Yeah, show me. What's the result today? Yeah, what's the result today so far? Let me know in the chat. That's not on that one. Okay, so it does seem to be, it's breaking out of that consolidation area. It's now picking up a bit of momentum to come down. I'm going to wait on the next candle, see if the MACD is still red to come down. I'm going to take it for 3 minutes. See what happens. Okay, there's a label. It instantly come up with a label. We may get a bit of a pullback here, but I'm not convinced it will. If it does, it's absolutely fine. Right, it's come out of the consolidation zone. It's gone back in. Everything seems to be opening up to come back down. That's absolutely fine. Does look pretty good at the moment. No, hardly much momentum in the euro. Okay, so we had a bit of a pullback candle here. It's rejecting on the 1 minute. Oh my days. Probably that already, that paid the order. No. Oh. Okay. So if we had Bollinger Band set up on the chart, they'd be starting to open up a little bit now because it came out of the consolidation zone. So it's telling me that there is a price here to come back down. I waited for the top of that candle. I waited at the top of the candle. Give me your best. Oh my days, please move. What is it doing? This zone here was perfect. It came out. That zone was absolutely perfect to come back out. Okay, so at the moment, yes, down. If you took a trade at the top of that candle, it is now starting to clear. Hopefully it does stay in that position. The pink label came up, so obviously I was expecting a bit of a bounce back. You took 2 trades, yeah, I know. Top of that candle was absolutely perfect.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
If you didn't manage to take one, Sonia, let me know, because we managed to get in 2 trades on this, one at the top of the candle, one at the start of the candle. So both trades are clearing at the moment. And it does seem to be coming down. So it came out of the consolidation zone.
Wow.
Yeah, get that one on your Instagram, Amber. In at 448, absolute 448, 448. Okay, so you got in at the start of the candle, same as what we did. Took a trade at the top of the candle. Always mark up your consolidation zones, because once the candle comes out of it, whether it's below or above, then it's come out and there's going to be a bit of strength going that way. So hopefully trends does start coming back down now. Okay, so multiple trades on this. There was an opportunity for one trade at the start of the candle and one at the top, and it seems to be coming down. Spiraling out of control for the uptrend, coming in favor for the JPY. Absolutely. We couldn't have got a better entry on this. If price does come back up, then that's absolutely fine. 5 minutes on that, 5 minutes as a sell. So we're getting a little bit of support for the uptrend. Let me look at 1 minute. Let me see what's happening there. So as you can tell on the 1 minute, we're oversold on that. So price will start to come back up a little bit, but we should be okay at the moment because price is coming down. Okay, so I've got 8 seconds left on that original trade. That one cleared. Well done, Sonia. Absolutely perfect. That one's cleared 2 on this. Yeah, absolutely perfect. To mark up your consolidation zone, so you know when the markets are sort of moving in tiny movements with the candles, you mark the bottom of the price on the down and mark the top price on the up, if that makes sense. So where it bounced back was, okay? So that it now come out of this area. Absolutely fine on that. That was absolutely perfect entry on that. So now 120 points. That's a good clearance. Well done. Absolutely perfect. So now if we had Bollinger Bands on this, they'd be opening up, pointing downwards. Some strong MACD going in our favor. Euro looks like it's absolutely dead in the water at the moment. And it has been on a bearish trend since, well, so since 8:45 last night, it's been on a bearish trend, which goes well for us. It does go really well for us. And everything is maximum sales at the moment. We've got wow, this I've never seen this that strong before. 137.341. Wow. Oh my days. 120 points, you cleared it.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I sure did.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So that was a good trade. That was an excellent. Actually, to be fair, that was perfect. Okay, so no use on that. Okay, 23 seconds left on this. We've still got a strong MACD in our favor. I love these consolidation zones. When it comes out of it, it literally breaks out of it. So we may expect a bit of a pullback on the next candle. If it does pull back, I'm going to be taking the best price it could possibly give us to come back down. They didn't even give us, oh my day, didn't even give me a pullback. It started off as a pullback and just jumped. Okay, so remember, we're still strong. Everything's still strong in our favor. So obviously I got in an absolute bad entry on that. 399. It literally bounced off at 361. Hang on, how can I be at 399?
Yeah.
That can't be right. Hang on. Sorry, 339. Sorry. 339. I didn't see that. And it was a bounce back to 362. So obviously I'm 30 points away from where I should have entered. 30 points away from where I should have entered. But this, obviously, we're following the trend. If you did catch one and manage to, did you get a bounce back?
I got it here.
Yeah.
326.
Mine literally bounced.
Yeah. I got it up here. Of that candle.
So you're drawing at the moment, yeah?
No, I'm paying by 3.
Oh, okay, that's perfect. Okay.
It's going the right way. It's going the right way.
Yeah, Sonia, did you manage to catch one on this? I got it. Amber got a late entry. I got a late entry, but it's still clearing at the moment. If you did, yeah, that trail line helped us out a lot. Now the trail line's about to cross through the consolidation zone and come out of it, going in your favour. That's that Kemi in. Hang on. Oh, okay. So everything seems to be going in our favour at the moment. So that's all good. We've got a good currency with the JPY at the moment. Nothing on the euros happening at the moment. So we are clearing on this at the moment. I've never ever seen a day's range come out this strong.
We're on
Euro JPY Kemi. Literally, if you look at the strength on JPY, it's the strongest one. We're going with against the euro, which is absolutely dead in the water at the moment. Just cleared 2 trades on this one. So it's all good. It's all good. It's all good on that. It's on a bearish trend. Euro, there's nothing on euro. JPY is absolutely killing this. We just had a consolidation zone and it's come out of it and now it's going in one direction. So we should still be good to take trades coming with the JPY. Absolutely fine. I'm about to clear this one. I'm 32 points in the clear, 25 seconds left. So we're still good. Late entries probably would have been okay to clear. But obviously we had a massive pullback to start with and then it just went. So I couldn't catch it in time. You got 56 seconds. I literally took mine at the start of the candle, but it did jolt me down. So yeah. Okay, so I cleared it. Mine's waiting on you guys to clear. What was your entry, Amber?
326.
326. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a pullback here. Let me check the 1 minute. Okay, so the 1 minute obviously is giving me a little bit of a pullback. 326, Amber got in on that. Is it going back up? Come on, can you start coming back down? It's all right. 326 is fighting,
Come on.
This is now fighting. Euro is starting to kick in a little bit. It's a 326 needs to clear. Sonia, did you get on this one?
5 seconds go, cleared by 24.
There you go. Well done. Good clear. Don't worry, mate. It was going to come back down. Have a little bit of faith. Have a little bit of faith. That's all good on that. A little bit of faith on that one. If you didn't catch that one, Sonia, no problem whatsoever. I've got a minute left on this to see where we are again on candle positioning.
This market's more like it.
Yeah, this is what we like to see. This is consistent. Not what we've been having the last few days. Euro is literally dead in the water. 137.287. So it's still got another 100 points to go back down. No, actually, sorry, cancel that. Another probably 60 odd points, 50. Yeah, 50 or 60 points for this to get to that price. What's that? 14 seconds left on that. Absolutely perfect. So remember, Kemi, we're going 3 minutes with the JPY, so we're going down. We'll just see where the next candle is going to position itself. Let me check the 1 minute, see if there's a pullback. There is a bit of a pullback, but this may reject. I need to know whether or not this is going to reject. It looks like it is. There's nothing there. So I'm going to quickly bung in another 3 minutes on that.
I got it. Previous candle.
Did you? Oh, wow. Okay, well done. So at the moment, we've got a bit of a flat candle happening here at the moment. I'm going to wait to see what happens here. I'm already in a trade at the moment at 325. If you got in at 325, this is now starting to come back down. Euro is really fighting this. Euro's really fighting this one. Okay, so if you have taken a trade on it, obviously I'm hoping that you've risked a low amount just in case something does happen. Oh, okay. So Cameron's already been sent home. Okay, fair enough. What was the point of being on call? Okay. So at the moment, still got 2 minutes left on this. If you entered the trade, see, I could have got in at the top of the candle, but I just didn't want to risk that because I'm coming away from doing multiple trades at the end of July towards August time to try and stop to eliminate some of these losses. But this is sitting there. What? Yeah, but that's how you trade.
That is how I trade.
Yeah.
And I have faith.
Okay, so price looks like it's coming back down. So if you have got in on this at the moment, this is actually doing a really good job. There's not much difference. So there's only 5 point difference if you took it at 325. So we're clearing by 9. Okay, now we're getting a little bit of strength coming down. Maybe a tiny candle. It may be a tiny candle, but at the moment it's doing what it's supposed to do. Yeah, I'm in at 325 straight, literally straight off the bat off the first candle. Oh, that's good. That's good. 40 seconds on that. I got 53 seconds. So obviously you got earlier entry than me.
Yeah, I got it through the candle in 6 seconds.
Yeah. Yeah, no. If you did manage to take it, let me know in the chat. But 325 was mainly the target area, between 325 and 336. Would have been a good entry for a sell for 3 minutes with the JPY. Everything seems to be opening up now to come back down. So now I'm clearing by 30, 23, 22 points at the moment. Remember, guys, one trade at a time. Well done, that's a good clearance on that. I'm clearing in 10 seconds.
All right.
Doesn't matter, guys. Doesn't matter if you win by 1 point or 100 points. It's still clearance, all right? So don't worry about that. I'm actually on the line. Did it clear? It did clear, so I cleared by, hang on. I cleared by 2 points, but I still win. Still win on that. And now the candle's going to give me a bounce back candle. That's absolutely fine. I don't care what it puts in front of me. I'll always take it on. 137,287. Okay, which is just below 100 points before it hits today's range. Hopefully goes down into another bearish position. But that trail line is shaping up to come back up a little bit. So just bear with it. Right, there it is. There's the pullback on the 1 minute. I don't think these 1 minutes are going to last for long, guys. Believe me. I do not trust the fact that Euro has done this, because Euro might actually just gained a little bit of strength and then it starts coming back down. Let it go out of the oversold position and then let it come back in. Yeah. So now it's in the oversold. Don't come out of the oversold position area. I'm sort of sitting here waiting for this to show me a bounce. Is it going to bounce there? I'm hoping there's a bounce coming up, because if there is, I'm going to take it going back down. Let it come out. Let it come out of this area. It needs to get a little bit more strength and price needs to go up. No, I'm checking the 1 minute. When it's going against, I'll check the 1 minute to wait for a bounce, and then I'll quickly jump to the 5 minute one. Yeah. If you look, it's still doing the same thing. Yeah. So we've got getting a couple of bounce back candles coming up. So what we're going to wait for, guys, is wait for these candles to start bouncing back down. I'm going to wait for it 3 times to go back to the price and then come back down. Okay. If it does it once or twice, then I'm probably going to take it on, probably the first or second attempt. But at the moment, it held price for a good amount of time. So 2 seconds left on this. So it's a new candle that's happening. Okay, that's fine. Don't take any trades just yet. Let it go overbought. It's almost there. And get these trades to come back down. It is rejecting the uptrend, yeah. Okay, this candle, this candle's not doing anything. So it's coming out of the oversold area. It's giving me a bounce on this candle. Let it go. I'm going to see if that hits that price again and bounces. Is it going to bounce? Okay, so we had another bounce on this. So that's two. That's two attempts on this. Coming back to that price and going back down. So that price is 424. You are? You took it for a sell.
I watched it reject twice.
Yeah.
And bounce off of that top price bit. So, and that's my free.
Yeah. So let's see. Okay, so there was the bounce, and now the trade starts. The candle start coming back down. It hit 424 twice. It wants to go back into the oversold area, which I was kind of predicting. Because now it's out of it. So now there's an opportunity for it to come back in. That really did like 424 bounce twice, didn't it? And now it looks like it's about to do it for the third time. Is it going to bounce the third time? It did. It bounced the third time. Very, very small candles at the moment because it wants to go back into the consolidation zone, which is this area here, but nothing is letting it go back in there. I don't think it will go back in there. Because now it's rejected again at a better price as well. If you'd managed to take a trade at the top of that candle, you would be clearing by now because it's not going. I don't think it's going to go back into that area. It's starting to come back down. So let me know in the chat if you took a trade at the top of this candle, anywhere around this area, because at the moment I'm in two trades at the moment, one at the top, and hang on, and where's the other one? And at 404, because that wasn't a good entry, but it's still clearing. Grabbing that one at the top of the candle was absolutely perfect. 404, anything above 404 at the moment does seem to be a good area to take a trade on. See that we can trade these tiny markets. We've got 15 seconds left on my first entry, which looks like it's about to clear, and I've got 36 seconds left on my second entry, and that's the one at the top of the candle. So that one looks like it's about to clear. My first entry was clearing. Yeah, that cleared that one. Absolutely perfect. Remember, guys, do you know what this feels like? This feels like a normal day. Coming back to that area and then bouncing back down. That feels like a normal day. And that's what we try to do. Try and make everything as normal as possible. Because if you look, it is possible to trade bounce backs. At the moment, I'm clear. I've just cleared my last trade. Okay, so that's perfect. Absolutely perfect. If you did manage to get in, let me know. Because right now, it looks like it wants to come back into the consolidation zone, but I don't think it's going to do it. Hoping it jumps back into the oversold, because then we can catch another one coming down. That's absolutely fine. A buy option is there at the moment. Just bear with it. Every time a new candle starts, these meters will change. No, euro has not changed one tiny bit. So we're going to be pulling a bounce back. Okay, let's sit and wait. 34 left on this. Going to start closing up. If you look where the bounce back is, it's not going back into that area. So I'm just waiting for these candles to bounce to come back down. Take trades coming back down. That's all I'm doing at this precise moment in time. And look, it's starting to actually come back down. Went out of the oversold area. It looks like it's about to come back into it. I love it when it does that. So how long's left? Okay, new candle, new candle. Is it going to do it? Okay, it's holding that price. Actually, do you know what? That held at a good price there. That was at 392. 392 for a sell that actually held. Oh, that's good. That's good. 396. That's it. 396 coming back down. At the moment, it looks like it's acting like a consolidation candle, not really doing a lot. Cool. Hey. I love predicting this stuff. May not have a lot of strength. What you are?
I love trading.
Yeah, I know it's great, isn't it? I absolutely love it. Not much of a big candle, but that's okay because if you've got a good pullback at a certain price, it'll come back down. Okay, that's what it's doing now. It's giving you an opportunity to get in at a higher price to come back down. We need to get you as far away from that. The entry of your candle needs to be as high or as low as possible. And this is looking like it's now going in the right direction. Let me know in the chat, guys, if you have taken a trade on this with your entry price. If you have already cleared, put $signs in the chat so we know that you have cleared. You are? Yeah, it should be working. Maybe they're keeping their trades to a secret. I love it. You are? No, yeah. I'm waiting for one of these. I'm waiting for Sonia to come in and say, yeah, I'm already 5 and already. Yeah. This was that without a shadow of a doubt, I'm not going to go back into that consolidation zone. Because if you look now, I can literally move this line and now look, the area is opened up. The area is getting bigger. Okay, so that's how you work it out. You go to the best price coming down, best price going up in that area, and it broke out of it to come back down. Okay, so that's how you work out how consolidation works. At the moment, we're coming back up. That's absolutely fine. We was kind of expecting a candle to come back up anyway. Yeah, that's what I was expecting. Yeah. At the moment, it won't last forever. What was your entry number? 396. Oh, okay. So you're not that far away from it. That's absolutely fine. That's a good entry. Okay. Yeah. It was between 396 and 391 a minute ago, wasn't it? That's it. So waiting for this candle to sort of come down a little bit more. You're 396. How long you got left? Oh, you're about to clear. Yeah. Okay. So now what we're going to do is I'm kind of predicting this is going to start going back up just a tiny bit. Actually 1 minute don't actually look like they're going up. That's good.
That one was mental. It was literally clearing by 99 points, and then I only cleared it again by 3 points.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. It is scary sometimes.
Scary, that one. That was that edge of the speed moment.
Okay, so we're losing a little bit of momentum for the JPY at the moment, but it's not going to last forever. Euro is literally going to give up the fight very soon. So because where we are at the moment, we are at today's best price. So you're going to expect these candles start doing this. Ideally, what we want, because at the moment, the consolidation zone actually opened up. So now in this area is where the candles are positioned. So what we're doing is waiting for another candle to come back through this area or come out of it to continue going down. That's what we're waiting for. But if you look, there's a bounce back on this candle, come to this floor here and bounce back up. Kind of expect this. Remember, guys, not all the trades you have to take. Just feel confident and take in your trading ability to take these trades. Yeah. Absolutely fine. Just remember, you're following these trends. Absolutely fine. Right, a label's going to come up. I don't mind this. Let it go. Let this label go, and then we'll wait for it to come back down. But having said that, I don't think it's going to go back up. There's it rejected. Look at that. Look, it actually rejected this candle. It rejected it. Okay, let it go. I don't think it will push through this line. If it does, then that's absolutely fine. I'm no problem with that because I want this to go back up to give us more opportunity to come back down. We'll set the 1 minute. Yeah, okay, that's fine. You are? Yeah. Now it's rejected 3 times on this. Let's see what it does on this trail line. If it bounces off this trail line, I'm jumping in on this. Go on, go to the line. Come on. It didn't go to. It's not going to the line. Come on, come on, come on. No, it gave me a bounce there. It's not going to. Come on, come to the line and bounce. Come on, you can do this. We know JPYs are capable of doing anything. Did it bounce? It bounced. Let me check the 1 minute. 1 sec. It is bouncing. It is bouncing off the line. Okay, so we've got a red downtrend candle happening on the 1 minute. So it looks like price is starting to come back down. It rejected the trail line right here at 442. If you did get in on this for 3 minutes sell, let me know. Right at the top of that candle, honestly. 434. Oh wow, okay. Oh, that's not bad actually, Amber. That's not bad.
Try to get right, but not like it doesn't like going right.
Yeah. 434 entry on this, guys. Best possible entry on this at the moment. We had a rejection at the top of this candle. If you look, it hit the trail line and came back down. So you can always use that as a confirmation as well. Remember, guys, we're just giving you ideas on when to enter these trades. No. So it's all good on that. If price does go back up on the 5 minutes, I very much doubt it will because the 1 minute is actually coming back down. Okay, so we're seeing bearish candles coming down. Okay, which is good for us. It's good for us because obviously the better the entry, the better. And we should, in theory, clear these trades. So it's probably going to give me the wrong candle to go up. I think it's going to finish on a downtrend. Okay, so there it is. It's showing me it was all lined up at the top of that off the top of the candle where the trail line is. Remember, following the rules, watching the bounce off that trail line, didn't go through it. I know for a fact if it wanted to go through it, it'd done it by now. If you look, right, we're going to get a 1 minute pullback. I don't mind that. It's absolutely fine. Because I'm about to clear one of them already. If you look at where the candle was positioned. Okay, so that one cleared. I've got 20 seconds left on the other one. You what? That's all right. That's all right. Because look at that. Guys, please tell me you took a trade on this. Please tell me. I knew it wasn't going to go through the trail line. There was a hit at the top of that candle to come back down. Just let me know in the chat. Because this is actually a very, very, very good trade to have. I'm about to clear my second entry on this. How long you got left, Amber?
20 seconds.
Oh,
I'm fine.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to make it back. Do not think this is going to make it back whatsoever. That's absolutely perfect. You did get in on that and cleared it. Put some dollar signs in the chat. Absolutely perfect. That was 2 trades on that. Multiple trades on this one. One at the start of the candle and one at the top of the bounce. That's all it was. Absolutely perfect. So what's your win-loss now, Amber?
I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
7 or 8. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Guys, if you're hearing this, did you put some? Let me know in the chat what your results are so far. 7-1. Oh, okay. You had 1 lesson. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
It wasn't a lesson. The last
Oh, okay. The market.
It wasn't even like a lesson. It just changed direction in the last 5 seconds.
Oh, okay. So the market did what it wanted to do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which I'm fine with because I still want to work.
Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect.
I'm absolutely fine with that.
Okay, so guys, like I said before, we came out of the overbought area and it's now starting to look like it's coming back in. Okay, so an opportunity on this. We've got consolidation happening at this precise moment in time. Not a lot of big candles that are moving. label saying to me it's going down. I actually firmly believe that on the 1 minute.
Yep, yep, yep.
It's rejecting the uptrend again. Not a massive candle, not a massive candle on this, but it is rejecting the uptrend. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Because I'm kind of like in two minds that whether or not this is going to go back up, and it doesn't look like it is. So at the moment, again, an entry at the top of that candle would have been absolutely perfect because it's actually gone back down.
I got it at
385. I hit 388 and 380. That's it's not too bad. It's not too bad. But let's see if it rejects again. Go on, reject there. Go on. It rejected that as well.
Yeah.
It actually rejected the top of that candle. Give me another opportunity. Give me another opportunity on a bounce. Before that, 40 seconds left before 3 minutes is officially on this candle. Okay, bounced. Actually bounced. Okay, so now price is starting to come back down again. Wow. Okay, so best entry on this at this precise moment in time was sat around 411 and started coming back down. So we're still good on this. Come back down. It's going back to 411 again, Amber. I think you just going to it and then just coming back down. 411 would have been absolutely ideal.
I got it for 1.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're better entry then. Well done. So you're clearing at the moment?
This one,
Yeah.
The other one, absolutely. This is like 3 at the moment.
So it needs a little bit of resistance for the uptrend. And if you look at it from the previous candle, it does not want to pass through the trail line. So another good indication at the moment. But 412, 411, 410 would have been good entries on this. Just waiting. I'm waiting for that one candle to just go down. That's all I'm doing. Waiting there. Because it's going to happen. There's something's going to happen on these markets. I need to bring that back up there, don't I? Yeah. That's it. That's where it is. Euro's fighting this. Every step of the way, it's fighting it. What was your other entry, Amber? What did you need?
I'm basically about 2 points at the moment.
How long you got left? Cool, come on.
Right now, what can I do? Well, it's about 3 points.
Oh, unlucky.
Clearing out one though, so.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Oh, I did do that.
Now we just had a drop. So if it had just been another 3 or 4 seconds, would have cleared the first entry, but the second one is absolutely lined up really well.
It's not clear enough to 8-2.
Yeah.
Which
How long you got left?
Still got a minute, 7 seconds.
A minute and 7 seconds. Oh, okay. So it was quite.
Cleared by 11 points.
Oh, so it was a really late entry then.
Yeah, well, I did try and get up there. Oh yeah, I went in after you. I went.
Oh, check you out building your account. Check her out building your account. Blimey. Okay, so we may be. I know it may well be the point now where Euro is going to have to bring price up, which is absolutely fine by me. I can just wait until 5 p.m. because I know that Euro is going to bring price up and it's going to come screaming back down. So that's why I say to you guys, join the 5 o'clock session because we're going to actually be in this, winning these trades. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so Sonia had to go back to work. That's absolutely fine. That's right. Yeah. So that's absolutely fine. So be back here at 5 p.m. because we're going to catch some more Euro JPYs coming down, and we're going to hopefully have another good session. Kemi, what was your results today? Did you manage to take any trades on this? Did you clear that last one?
The last 3 seconds?
Oh, you cleared. Well done. Yeah, Kemi, let me know if you took any trades on this today. But remember, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. is going to probably be the session where we're all going to jump on and literally take trades with the JPY because I don't think this trend is going to change much today. You caught a couple of lessons. Oh, okay. What were your overall win loss? If you could let me know. Let us know how you're getting on. At the moment, Euro is starting to fight back. So what we're going to do, we're going to leave it now.
I had a couple
Come back
of
at 5.
lessons. I ended up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 2.
So Amber had 2 lessons. I had one. No, hang on. Sorry, I had 2 lessons as well. So we all caught lessons today. But no, it's all good. It's all good. Come back to 5 at 5 p.m. where market's probably going to be absolutely blinding. Don't worry, we're going to turn that negative into positive. We're absolutely,
By the end of the day,
Yeah.
we'll be up.
Yeah. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. We're going to jump back on Euro JPY at 5 p.m. So if you can make that one, absolutely perfect, because it does look like that Euro is going to bring this back up, which is better for us because the minute that half-hour candle hits, maybe the quarter past candle, everything will start coming back down, and we're going to get in on these trades. Okay, so don't worry about a thing. Come back at 5. We'll do this. Okay, we'll absolutely smash the life out of it. Okay, so we are going to see you guys at 5 p.m. Thank you so much for coming on the call. We appreciate every single one of you.
See you at 5, guys.
See you at 5.